Hello students, as you know, geography one of the most important optional, and in geography there is a physical geography, and in physical geography oceanography one of the most important topic. And again in the oceanography you can say bottom relief of the ocean of Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. Among these three, Atlantic Ocean one of the most important ocean. Many times in your paper this question has been asked, especially in the context of bottom relief of the Atlantic Ocean. So students, today please concentrate here. No doubt ये आपके 15 मिनट की क्लास आपके लिए बहुत ही डिसाइडिंग होगी. देखो डायग्राम मैंने बनाया हुआ. जस्ट आई वांट टू से वन थिंग. If you want to secure more than 65% to 70% marks in your optional, especially in geography, then just एक काम आप शुरू करिए और वो है diagrams and maps. As much as possible, try to input proper diagram, neat and clean diagram in your writing. And no doubt this topic is very important. So students, आइए discuss करते हैं what is bottom relief of the ocean. Already I have told in a video, previous video. In that video I have told in the ocean different kind of reliefs are found there. In the ocean, yes, you can see continental shelf, continental slope, abyssal plain and trenches. Are so many features are found there. And no doubt each and every feature have different kind of significance. सबका अपना अपना significance है, अपने अपने importance. तो question different aspects में ऐसे पूछे जाते हैं. So students, while you read about the bottom relief of the ocean, then simply आप कह सकते हैं सबसे पहले उसके इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट को देखिए कि इसका इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट क्या होगा. इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट में आप कह सकते हैं कि बॉटम रिलीफ ऑफ द अटलांटिक ओशन is a very important feature of this ocean, because this Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean of the world, but it has world's longest submerged ridges are found there. Simply you can see in this map. Extremely from the northern part of Atlantic Ocean to extremely southern part of Atlantic Ocean, this Mid-Oceanic Ridge is found there, and this ridge considered as a longest ridge in the world. देखिए कितनी इंटरेस्टिंग बात है. एरिया वाइज नो डाउट सेकंड लार्जेस्ट, बट फीचर वाइज जब बात करते हैं तो इसकी बड़ी सारी यूएसपी है. And so that in previous examination, previous years जो भी पेपर हुए हैं आप देखोगे वहां पे क्वेश्चन यहां से पूछे गए. So many questions. कि just describe the bottom relief of the Atlantic Ocean and describe the characteristics of Mid-Oceanic Ridge and also describe the origin of Mid-Oceanic Ridge. So many ways. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस यहां पे आते रहते हैं. तो फर्स्ट मैंने क्या बताया इन द इंट्रो, आप कहेंगे अटलांटिक ओशन इज ए सेकंड लार्जेस्ट ओशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड इट हैज वर्ल्ड लॉन्गेस्ट ridges आर देयर एंड इट हैज डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ टोपोग्राफिकल फीचर्स ओवर इट्स बॉटम. क्लियर? ये कुछ आप लिख सकते हैं. एंड देन आफ्टर फिर लिखेंगे there are important physical features we can see in different manner which are following. जो भी हैं ऐसे वे नीचे दिए हुए आप सिंपल वे में लिख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट, while you start this topic, then मैंने बताया था अटलांटिक ओशन में जब भी ऐसी बात होती है या कोई भी ओशन के बॉटम की आप जब बात करते हैं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहीं से शुरुआत होती है अबाउट द कॉन्टिनेंटल शेल्फ, because this is the most important feature of bottom relief of the ocean. And if you talk in the context of Atlantic Ocean, no doubt, continental shelf has some special kind of things. Continental shelf. What you can say? In the Atlantic Ocean, there is a widest expansion of the continental shelf. Means over its bottom, near about 13.5% area covered by the continental shelf. So simply you can say, in the Atlantic Ocean, सबसे ज़्यादा कॉन्टिनेंटल शेल्फ की प्रेजेंस पाई जाती है in comparison of other ocean like Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. And very interesting thing is that these continental shelves are not evenly distributed in Atlantic Ocean. In its northeastern side, northeastern side, the northeastern side of Atlantic Ocean is the west part of Pacific Ocean. In the region of, you can say, near to Britain, near to coast of Denmark, near to coast of Netherlands, or you can say in the North Sea, there is a very wide continental shelves are there. In this area, continental shelves are very, very wide. So it's not evenly distributed. High level of expansion is found in the northeastern part of, simply you can say, in Atlantic Ocean. Then not only in this region, simply you can say in the eastern part of North America or northwest part of Atlantic Ocean, also in this region we can see wide continental shelf. Near to coast of Canada, near to coast of Greenland, in this area wide continental shelves are found there. And in this area wide continental shelves are there. Clear? And not only in this area, but simply you can say near to southeastern part of North America or USA, in Caribbean Sea and Gulf of Mexico. This is a Caribbean Sea, a Gulf of Mexico, and this is Caribbean Sea. In this area wide continental shelves are found. It means in the northern part of Atlantic Ocean, continental shelves are more and more extends there. But as you move in the southern side, in the region of, in front of Argentina, continental shelves are also wide. But if you move the west side of Africa, in that region, continental shelves are more or less absent or very narrower. So what you have learned about continental shelf? Simply you can say it has highest expansion of continental shelf. It covers near about 13.5% of the total area of Atlantic Ocean, but it not evenly distributed. It vary area to area. Like in North Atlantic Ocean, continental shelves are wide, but in the Southern Atlantic Ocean, continental shelves are comparatively narrower. ध्यान रखना, comparatively narrower. In the northern side, in the area of North Sea, in the area of Labrador Sea, in the area of Caribbean Sea and Gulf of Mexico, continental shelves are wide. But in southern side, especially in the front of Argentina, continental shelves are wide. But in the front of west part of Africa, continental shelves are narrow. These things you may write down in the about the Atlantic Ocean in about the continental shelf. Very simple manner. Then students, you can write down about the continental slope also. Simply you can say in the Atlantic Ocean, continental shelves are also highly extended, near about 12% area covered by the continental slope. But the most striking feature of Atlantic Ocean is Mid-Oceanic Ridge. In its central part, extremely from north to extremely from south, there is a long expansion of continental shelf, in its central side, extremely from the north to extremely its southern side, there is a most striking feature is Mid-Atlantic Ridge. It's a very long ridge in the world. It has a length more than 15,000 kilometer. ध्यान रखना, more than 15,000 kilometer, and it is divided near to equator. It is divided near to equator. So northern part of Mid-Atlantic Ridge is known as डॉल्फिन. आप लोगों ने मूवी देखी होगी टाइटैनिक मूवी देखी है, तो उसमें जब देखो टाइटैनिक शिप चल रही है तो उसमें डॉल्फिन कूद रही हैं, तो इस एरिया में डॉल्फिन बहुत पाई जाती है. सो स्कॉलर नेम्ड इट्स डॉल्फिन रिज. तो ध्यान रखना, डॉल्फिन रिज सिचुएटेड इन इट्स नॉर्दर्न पार्ट. क्लियर? एंड सदर्न पार्ट इज नोन एज चैलेंजर. Southern part is known as Challenger, and again southern part has southeastern extension which known as Walvis Ridge. It moved toward coast of Africa. Africa के coast की ओर चलने लगता है, so that known as Walvis Ridge. And then in northern side, again this northern part divided. This western part is known as Telegraphic Plateau. टेलीग्राफिक प्लेटू इसे इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि यहीं पर सबसे पहले टेलीग्राम की लाइन, क्योंकि यहीं पर सबसे पहले टेलीग्राम की लाइन अंडर वाटर बिछाई गई थी. सो नेम्ड एज ए टेलीग्राफिक प्लेटू, एंड इट्स दिस पार्ट इज नोन एज वेविल थॉमसन रिज. व्हाट यू विल लर्न अबाउट द स्ट्राइकिंग फीचर इज Mid-Oceanic Ridge in Atlantic Ocean, which divided in two parts near to equator. Northern part is known as Dolphin and southern part is known as Walvis. And northern part is Dolphin and southern part is Challenger, and its another part is known as Walvis. So students, please keep in mind because this is very important. जितना ज्यादा आपका मैप नीट एंड क्लीन होगा, राइटिंग में वर्ड्स कम हो जाए नो प्रॉब्लम, बट आपने डायग्राम नीट एंड क्लीन बना दिया लाइक दैट, देन डेफिनेटली यू विल हैव बेनिफिट. मैं अपनी क्लास में स्पेशली बच्चों को डायग्राम कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं, कैसे इजी वे में बहुत शार्पली तेज डायग्राम बना सकते हैं, ऐसे बहुत सारे ट्रिक्स टूल्स हैं. वी विल डिस्कस लेटर इन द क्लास. बट दिस इज ए मंत्र. ये मंत्र आपके लिए कि आप कैसे इसको यूटिलाइज करते हैं, ठीक है, और इसको यूटिलाइज करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली आप बेनिफिटेड होंगे. द फर्स्ट थिंग, देन आप कह सकते हैं अनदर फीचर ऑफ अटलांटिक ओशन इज देयर इज ए नंबर ऑफ बेसिन. इसके सेंट्रल पार्ट में जब रिज कोई बन गया तो डेफिनेटली it divided into two basin, west basin and east basin. On the large scale, simply you can say Atlantic Ocean has two basin, one western basin and eastern basin. In western basin again it divided in many parts, but two basins are very important. One is North American basin and Brazil basin, and the eastern side no doubt again number of there, but few basins are important like Angola basin and Cape Verde basin. So these four are important basins. And then if you talk about the marginal sea, if you talk about the islands, then also lot of things are there. If you talk about the seas, if you talk about the marginal seas of Atlantic Ocean, then simply you can say there is a number of seas. बहुत सारे यहाँ पे seas देखने को मिलते हैं. Like there is a Labrador Sea, then Bay of Baffin, in that area Gulf of Mexico, in that area Caribbean Sea, then in that area Sargasso Sea ये बड़ा ही यूनिक फीचर्स है बच्चों. दिस इज द ओनली sea of the world which has not any kind of land boundary but despite considered as a sea, so it also known as sea within sea. It also known as sea within sea. कभी जब मैं आप लोगों को करंट्स डिस्कस करूंगा then I will discuss all those things. तो Sargasso Sea in that area, Gulf of Mexico and then Caribbean Sea in that area, these are some important water body in the western side. But if you go in the eastern side in front of Europe, then simply you can say there is a Norwegian Sea, then this is in that area there is a Baltic Sea, then after you can say North Sea, English Channel, then this is a Mediterranean Sea. In Mediterranean Sea number of seas are there. So from this point of view Atlantic Ocean is a very important. And if you talk about islands, then simply you can say in comparison of other ocean, Atlantic Ocean has less number of islands. In Atlantic Ocean, important thing is there, world biggest islands. No doubt number of islands comparatively कम है, but size wise you can say world biggest island, and that is named as a Greenland, situated in its northern western side. ठीक है. Then there is a Baffin Sea, Baffin Islands, and number of islands. And in this area Cuba, Haiti, Jamaica, number of islands. In that area Cape Verde, है ना. In that area there is a, आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर मिलेगा आपको St. Helena, Ascension, and in this area there is an important island, that is Falkland. So no doubt island is comparatively less, but some important striking features are there because there is a world's biggest island. ठीक. So you can mention, so simply you can say in the bottom relief of the Atlantic Ocean we can discuss their continental shelf, their slopes, and then after you can say discuss about the abyssal plain. If you discuss about the abyssal plain, you can say in the Atlantic Ocean near about 53.5% area, ध्यान रखिएगा, near about 53.5% area covered by abyssal plain. In comparison of other ocean, no doubt this number is very less, but no problem. Some another striking features are there, and that striking features is ridge. In its mid part, mid-Atlantic ridge is there, and no doubt it has two part, dolphin and challenger. And then on that basis there is a basin you can discuss there, and then another things is island, and then आप क्या कह सकते हैं, island के साथ इसमें marginal seas की भी बातें कर सकते हैं. So gentlemen, इस डिस्कस में आपने ये देखा कि फर्स्ट कॉन्टिनेंटल शेल्फ, देन कॉन्टिनेंटल स्लोप, then you can discuss about abyssal plain, then marginal sea. In abyssal plain is striking feature is ridge. Then you can discuss about basin, and then finally islands. And last conclusion, what you can say. So that simply we can say Atlantic Ocean is the most striking kind of ocean which has different kind of reliefs are there. इस तरह से अपना ये क्वेश्चन बच्चों फिनिश कर सकते हैं. अगेन मैं बात कहना चाहूंगा कि ऑप्शनल में if you want to secure 65%, 70% marks and this is my assurance for you. If you are doing all those things according to my instruction, definitely you will get more than 60-65% or maybe 70. दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन होना बहुत जरूरी है। मैं जो आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहा हूं और आप उसको फॉलो कर रहे हैं, यू आर डूइंग समथिंग, बिकॉज दिस इज रेसिप्रोकल एक्शन। सो अगेन माय ऑल वेल विशेज विद यू। इसको देखिए एंड देन वी विल मीट in another video. Until then, bye.